Hey everybody, it's BC here, and welcome back to another episode of Medieval Engineers. So here we are, back about an hour before the previous two episodes. Did a little bit of reinforcement here, put some stone blocks here. It's all solid up here. I'm hoping this is going to be okay. I'm thinking about this now. I might even consider putting another archway here, another wall, but I've been thinking about this pillar situation all day at work today, and I think I'm going to go ahead and add the pillars. Not only is it going to retain some, make it a little more structurally sound, but it's gonna add a little more decor because just plain walls, having some pillars going up might add a little bit of interest to it. The only thing about the pillars is having them work with the doors. Now, I could either, I was thinking about two ways I could do this. Go on, where is it? Go there, and the pillars will actually line up with these arch blocks and go all the way up. At the same time, they'll be repurposed as part of the railings, because we're gonna have a walkway here on this floor. So we're gonna have to have some uprights for the railings anyway. So something like this, I could just put the timbers right across and go with that. So that could work. But so for this, we would basically probably something like that, and I would have to go on the opposite side here, and that's just because of the alignment of the door. And then I could have that going across, have that going right up to the ceiling, and that should be okay. I was also thinking about possibly doubling them up, but I don't know how well that's going to work, just because of this door, right? And when I mean doubling up, I mean like what I was doing before. Even then, I could probably, I wanted to leave that gap if I could, like that, but then that creates weak points. So we could go like this. Then basically recreate what we got over here, but with the double pillars. I'm almost liking that better. It looks stronger for one. And hopefully we shouldn't have a problem with this back wall. That's one I'm worried about. If it really becomes a problem, I might be able to put the arch going right across here and just get some more supports. And then we can work around with it. I can always put up walls or something, just decorate it, hang banners all over the place. We'll have to look at making a banner soon, one of these days. But, let's see here. Let me finish up this side here. I want to see how it's going to look. I prefer to have the double pillar if I could. It's going to take a lot longer to build, but see, something like that. And I could even put one here too. That, and that can run up the wall, and that sort of create a bit of a framework for that doorway. Let's see how far this goes over here. Okay, that's doable. Oh, that actually goes right up to the wall, so we don't need it there anyways. Yeah, I like that better. I might go with this. Actually gonna line up with those archways pretty much perfect too. One of the other things I didn't really notice and didn't realize until today at work is my floor's gone. So I got to do all that work too. So I got to put pillars in, going all the way up. I got to redo the floor, and I got to redo the walls for the main section here. So you know what that means. It's time for another montage. It wasn't too bad. It took me 2 hours or so. Everything seemed to turn out okay. There's a few things I did differently. We'll go downstairs to the bottom. Oh, we're not even at the bottom yet. Wow. Thing's huge. We're definitely going to get some light in here. But let's go over here first and take a look at it from the outside. Oh yeah. Of course, there's a lot of work to do. There's battlements and rings at the top of the towers and whatnot. Staircase does go all the way up in that one. That one I gotta do, and then I gotta do the other four as well. But we go in here, and we have this nice, huge open area, and it goes all the way up to the top. You probably saw at the beginning there, I was trying to mess around with the arches to see how it worked. But the arch went a little too high, and I didn't like it. I was hoping it was going to be like around here, and then I would replace these pillars with that. I was thinking about using the entranceways, like on the wall section, but they have that foot plate, and I don't like that. So I just went with these. These seem to work okay. It didn't collapse. I did stay with just the wall on the back side, and let's go upstairs. Oh yeah, gotta go up one more flight. I hate these stairs sometimes. I gotta make sure, be careful because I don't have the railings in yet. But this kind of works. But yeah, I kept it flat at the back too. I wanted to go with the arch, but I started thinking, well, if I start putting that extra weight, we do have the archway here as it is. So if I put that extra weight, then that means we'd have to add more pillars, and I don't want to do that. But I like it. It's definitely a nice view. I'm gonna have to make a ton of torches to light this place up. But it definitely looks good. Then we go back downstairs, and then we go over here. We have the balconies over here, and that leads into the second floor of this area, which goes down and leads down into here, and then out into the main hall. It's not too bad. Once we start getting different decorations in and stuff like that, and start decorating it, it's gonna start looking really nice. But let's go take a look. Oh, there we go. Holy jeez, that's huge. I like it. I like it a lot. Just look and see if we got any barbarians around. Don't see any. I haven't seen them in a while. They've been, like I said, they've been cleaning up those posts for me, so they've been helping out. Giving me their lunch and their iron once in a while. I know it's sometimes hard to see them, but sometimes you see like a little pixel moving. But anyways, I think we're gonna call the episode here. It's been quite a few hours for me. It's definitely a relief to see it finally standing. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave me a like, and I will see you in the next episode. Later.